Hello once again. How are you doing? Well, honestly, I had a great day today. You need to know I did some intense exercise, and that gets me to know that basketball is actually not for the weak. I was panting like as if I went to steal something in the market. You know that the way you run when you steal something in the market. Okay, this is KFA once again. Don't forget, this is our trade analysis. So, we analyzed XAU USD and our prediction. See, it's like we're a prophet, just like Moses, but we keeping it real. So, and apologies for that. And we predicted gold is coming down after it breaks through this level right here. And though I used my 4-hour time frame to analyze the charts, let's move to our 1-hour time frame. Whoa, this is like 50 pips bagged already. Like 50 pips bagged. Though I predicted that my take profit should be around somewhere. I'm coming. The trade should be something like this. We might take profit somewhere here. I'm sorry, my stop loss somewhere there. I might take profit around this place. This was what I entered. That this is my prediction for the market. So on our 1-hour time frame, don't forget there are different things that affect the market. I predicted where my take profit was going to be, but if there is news between the span of then and, because note, you are a day trader, not a swing trader. Don't confuse the two together. If you are a swing trader, you can place a trade. See, once you can even enter a trade around this place and leave your trade for months, let it run. But once you are a day trader, now you need to be watchful of the market. You need to be watchful. You place a trade, you check on your trade. If you see any candlestick or any pattern that is contrary to what you've predicted, start taking your profit out. That's the wise saying, like a sage. Okay, so on my 1-hour time frame, I'm saying this 4 candlesticks after bagging 50 pips. 4 candlesticks. That is showing me a reversal in my analysis. Now this is what I do. I take some of my profit out and I wait. Like, I basically take out my profits and I wait. I'll wait for price to get back to this level. Let's see if price gets to this level. But if price does not get to this level before it bounces back, because if you look at this is like an head and shoulder pattern. This is the head, this is the shoulder. These are the shoulders rather. And what about head and shoulder pattern is that this trade should run like something like the same distance between the head and the neck level should be the same distance between the shoulder downward. And with this, I think it has been accomplished already. So that means this trade has already played out the way it wanted to play out. So you wait. Let's see if it comes back to break through this level right here. Then you should be looking for a small buy, maybe a small buy to come and retest this level, just like what happened here. But if it does not break through and ended up coming down again, then we go for the sell, and our take profits should be around this place. So don't forget, this line is still determining our trade. So that line still determines our trade. If it does not get to that level, we just now it's going to actually have to go lower, deeper than this. It will have to. Can you see this level? I'm coming. Let me just. Can you see it here? So this is what affected our trade. Can you see the levels? Don't forget what I told you in the last in the last analysis. Markets respect levels. Respect levels a lot. Don't be ignorant that, oh, this should not matter. It matters. Everything matters. Can you see? Look at this. 1, 2, 3. This here itself 4, 5. Now I'm sure if I should go back, there'll be more to look at. Whoa, come on. This is a whole lot. Believe me, this is a very strong zone. This is a very, you know what, guys? I will advise just watch the market play out. Don't try to just get into any sell or buys now, because wow, this is a very strong zone. I'm not gonna lie to you. Look at how many. Look at this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at this. 7, 8 right here. 9, 10. Wow, this is a very, very strong zone. You know what? The possibility of this market going back up is now very high. It is very high because I didn't see that before. Thank God I checked. Now what do we do? What do we do? Let's go to our 4-hour time frame. Now since we've seen this level down here, what we just do is let's wait. If market breaks through this zone to the upside, then we should be looking for a short buy. But if market gets to this place and retest it just like this, then we look for a sell. So that is my analysis on gold. Don't forget, something about price action is you look at what price is doing and you make decision based on that. You don't assume. If your analysis, if you have a setup and you are hoping to trade, don't be so eager to trade. Just let your setup come. It will come. It will always come. For example, now my setup that I said a setup on the 1st of January, and it came right through. If I use like one lot size for this, that I already bagged like maybe $500 or $5,000. Wow, that's a lot of money. So I've already made like 5 million naira. Oh guys, that's how it works. So don't forget, stay tuned. I'll be updating you on gold. Next time. So this is just for you to know how the market works. This is a live trading. I hope you know that the market is moving. Can you see? This is not a retest or a played chart. I'm not replaying anything. This is a chart. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button, and hit the notification button so you are going to know once trade analysis like this are uploaded on this channel. You'll be the first to get notified. Okay, can you do that in 5, 4, 3, going now, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to see you in the next one. Stay tuned, guys. Hello guys, what's up guys? This is KFA XAU USD analysis, and this is the result of our analysis on Monday and Wednesday. This is the result, guys. This is amazing, so amazing. We made $3,820. That's a whole lot. That's a whole lot. So I'm gonna be explaining. Okay, let's move to our chart. I entered this trade late. The because I was having difficulty placing a trade because of my bad reception. As you can see, it's still happening. So when I placed the trade market, I already lost about 4837. I already lost about 90 pips or so, and that's if you know the feeling of losing money. That's how I was feeling. And I entered the market. Let's check. So I entered the market around 2038, and my take profit was 2032. Okay, let's check. I'll tell you how to check it if you are just new to this. If you look at my screen, you can see it's looking like a graph actually, with an x-axis and a y-axis. You all know the horizontal line, that's the bottom, is the x-axis, and the vertical one is the y-axis. So the vertical one is where we have the prices, and the horizontal is where we have the date and time. And as you can see from here, the date of this trade, I placed this trade today, as I said, the 5th of January 2024. So it should be a day before now. So that's yesterday now. So and time was 13:30. So what we do is we search for it. You can see that we have there's like a plus sign. I can move it around. It's going to point to the price and the date respectively. So I'm looking for this 2038 on our y-axis, and 13 should be here, right here. So the trade was placed within this zone. So I told you I already lost almost like 90 pips. So when I entered this market around this place, I made 60 pips because my take profit was at 2032. So 2038 and 2032, if you calculate it, you just have 60 pips away. And I was not able to write this market down to the last because today was NFP, and NFP is a very dangerous news to trade. If you are not proficient in it, please guys, don't go into it. If you are, I'm repeating again, if you are not proficient in trading news, if you are not efficient enough in trading the news, don't go into it. You will end up accumulating massive losses that can send you back to the village. Let me use the word. It can send you back to the village, like go and start farming again. So, and the funniest thing is NFP means non-farm payroll. So, bro, your own is not non-farm, your own is continue farming because it's sending you back to the village. So don't trade NFP if you're not proficient in it. So as you can see, this is the profit we made. Just take a look at this. We made more than 4 million naira today. And this is in naira. 4 million naira today. $3,820. Now, this is one of the things KFS is good at. We always give you blues. Blues only. Blues only. Blues only. I'm repeating it. See, let your mind, as I am like this, my head is just full of blues because I just want to keep seeing those blues. And if you're someone that just want to keep making profit of the financial market, you want to keep seeing blues, join KFA. Just go into the description button below. Join our platforms, our Telegram platforms and WhatsApp platforms. Click your like and subscribe button, and also activate that notification so you can be one of the first people to get notified if trades like this are ongoing. I congratulate those that watch this video and place this sell. Like this
you should be rejoicing by this. Some of you should even be planning on, okay, what do I want to do next? I want to go shopping, I want to do a lot of things. You should just be planning that, because you just made massive money. And this is what we are going to continue to give you guys. Profit only. So don't forget, like and subscribe to this channel. We are going to be giving you a whole lot. We have a whole lot in store for you. We are going to be analyzing the market together again on Monday. I'll be with you. Just stay tuned, guys. Just keep watch. The moment to receive a notification, check out the video and go activate your trade, guys. Go activate your trade and wait for it to play out, because KFA's analysis will always play out. KFA analysis will always play out. That's what I'm here for you, baby. Okay, that's all for now. I'm going to see you on Monday in the next XAU USD video. Bye for now.